Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS. And I'm your EVS teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine in your home. Children, you all know that we are in chapter number 4 now. In our previous video, we have learnt about a girl, Amrita, who loved the trees very much, and the trees are her best and beloved friends. And when Amrita grown up, some strangers came in her village for cutting down the trees. Whenever Amrita saw the man, she became shocked. After that, now the paragraph is here and we are now in that paragraph. Amrita was shocked. Whenever Amrita saw the strangers who came with axes, she was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. Without thinking, Amrita ran towards the tree the man want to cut them. She put her arms around the trees and hugged it tightly, and she hugged the tree just like a man for saving them. The man shouted and threatened her. Whenever the man saw Amrita to hugging the trees, he shouted and they want to leave out her. But Amrita did not let go of the tree. But Amrita did not do, and she never want to leave the tree. The king's men had to follow his order, but the king's men are only the servants of king, and they were only follow the order of king. They had to cut the tree, and they all are bounded for follow the rule and the order of king, and they started to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Whenever the villagers and daughters and young and old people of village saw Amrita, they also protect the many trees. They went and hugged one trees by their arms. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees, but the men were not stopped. They all cut the trees and they all for protect the trees. The all villagers, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard the news, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. Yes, obviously that news is very shocking. No one could do that type of sacrifice towards trees, just like Amrita and her friends. Whenever the king heard that shocking news, he could not believe. He visited the village himself. So he wanted to visit the village by himself, and he visited too. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. Whenever he went on that village, he learned a lesson about the respect towards the trees and animals, and he totally pleased about the sacrifice of Amrita. Yes, according to the explanation of this paragraph, there have been given 2 questions. You have to give the answer of the questions. Yes, the first question is, do you remember what the elders of this village used to say? Yes, in our previous video, whenever I explained you, they have mentioned a line In that line, the village elders were said that अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. That line is the answer of this question. What they have said? They said अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? Yes. What is the answer? Yes, children, the answer is no. We could not survive without trees. But the trees survive without us. Trees and animals are very essential for the human being. They all serve us by many ways. For some examples are for wood, food, crops, milk, egg, etc. All sources are coming from animals and trees. Okay. Now the next paragraph. The village is protected. Whenever the king saw the sacrifice of Amrita and his friends, he totally changed. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. Now the king was totally changed. The sacrifice of Amrita and his friends affected the king, and he ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animals would be harmed in that area. Now the king was announcing that no one could cut any tree and not would be harmed any animal in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the story is before 300 years. But today in current time, almost the 300 years later, the people of this area called Bisnois. Yes, what they call Bisnois. Continue. To protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. Children, before 300 years till now, the Bisnois served the plants and animals till today. That's why even the place is middle of the desert. You all know that desert area is very hot and dry and the water level is so low in that area. But even the all situations are against of the greenery. The place is green. That is an amazing fact. That is why? Because of the devotion and the hard work of the Bisnois. The area is green and the animals roam freely without fear. Children, now the explanation is complete. We will discuss the question answer and exercise on the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.